Where's my engine? It should be here tomorrow. And hopefully by Wednesday, I'll have this van up and running. I'll get there. Ouch. I don't know why that transmission fell like that. Guess the jack gave out overnight. I don't know. All right. Got the engine, got to get it broken down and put in there. Let's get it done. All right, new engine going in. Y'all see it? Yeah, boy. Engine's going. Got kind of a misfire. I'm gonna have to check these plugs. They were out the old engine, so they might not be no good. I cleaned out the van too, made it nice. Oh, I got the van back together. I had to put an engine in it. It's running smooth. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's running smooth. That's all the old parts. But it's New York ready now. I cleaned it out, everything. It's ready for the road.